The farmers' protest has taken the entire country by storm. From netizens to Bollywood celebs and even international stars are taking to social media to comment on the issue that has caused unrest. Opinions are divided and some celebs have taken their Twitter war to another level. Amid all the tweets and posts regarding the issue, a cryptic tweet by Amitabh Bachchan has caught everyone's attention. तर्क का जवाब तो तर्क में दिया जा सकता है, पर विश्वास का जवाब तर्क के पास नहीं है, which simply translates to you can give an answer to an argument with an argument, but an answer to trust does not lie with argument, Big B wrote in his tweet. However, looks like this tweet didn't go down too well with some of the netizens. One of them even replied to Amitabh Bachchan saying that his cryptic message is hard to understand and the actor needs to decide whose side is he on. Amitabh Bachchan was severely trolled for his tweet. Apart from Amitabh Bachchan, several other B-Town stars are being trolled on social media for commenting on the farmers' protest. From Taapsee Pannu to Ajay Devgan, Akshay Kumar and Sunil Shetty. Even Bollywood seems divided on the farmers' protest. However, celebs are requesting netizens to stay united in these troubled times. The discussion on the farmers' protest spread like wildfire after international pop icon Rihanna commented on the issue. Reportedly, the singer's tweet went viral as it was tweeted more than 300,000 times. Several international celebs are now taking to social media to comment on the issue. English singer Jay Sean shared pictures from the protest on Instagram and wrote a hard-hitting message. It's one of the largest protests ever in history and hardly any mainstream coverage. I live in the US and I've barely seen it on the news or mainstream media. I don't know what needs to be done to raise more awareness and have more eyes on this, but I've seen videos that are far too graphic and heartbreaking to post. International model Amanda Kearney hit back at trolls after she commented on the farmers' protest. When a troll told Amanda that her entry in Bollywood is officially banned, the vlogger said, "Love the films, but if Bollywood wants to ban me for voicing my belief or the need for basic human rights, I guess you won't be seeing me in Bollywood." In one of her angry tweets, Amanda also wrote, "Who hired the idiots that wrote this propaganda? A completely unrelated group of celebrities conspiring and being paid to destroy India? I mean, come on, at least make it somewhat realistic." Looks like the issue has left Bollywood celebs tangled in a war with international celebs.